Vanessa. Today in this video, I am going to try this hair product. This is the Loreal Colorista Semi-Permanent Color. And I chose this color purple 400. Yesterday, I actually tried just a couple of hair strands. Here, I tried the product. It turned out nice. I actually like it. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and do a demo for you guys if you're interested to color your hair with just a temporary color using this one. So let's see how it goes. I have here the tube. It's a pretty good size tube for your hair. If you have a longer hair, you might want to buy 2 of these. It also comes, of course, with the instruction. Also comes with a brush and 3 pairs of gloves that you can use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a bowl like this because it's easier to color your hair with that. So let's go ahead and start the demo. So before we start, I'm going to tell you guys that I'm not really planning to color all of my hair purple. So the style that I'm going for is like a highlights or a balayage style.